Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the another topic, retrogressive metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? The metamorphosis is nothing but the development of an organism into the adult stage. The majority of metamorphoses are progressive, in which the larvae possesses the primitive characters, and as they attain the maturity or adulthood they gains the advanced characters, as seen in the amphibians and the majority of insects. But sometimes what happens, the larvae possesses the advanced characters such as locomotory organs, sense organs, notochord, etc. And when they metamorphose into adult, these advanced characters get degenerated and adult develops a primitive feature. In a single word, in a single line, you can say that the adult is more primitive than the larva, or adult possesses primitive character than the larva, and larva possesses the advanced characteristics. This type of metamorphosis is called as a retrogressive and is generally found in sedentary and parasitic animals. In Herdmania, that is a hermaphrodite animal, the fertilized eggs undergo holoblastic unequal cleavage and it develops into the blastula, which shows the upper micromeres and the lower megameres or the macromeres. Then the gastrulation takes place and gastrula develops into the tail larva, and that tail larva is called as a Ascidian tadpole larva. This is a diagram of the Ascidian tadpole larva of the Herdmania. The first one is the what? This is a tail fin. Then the number two is the what? The intestine. Number three is the what? The nerve cord which runs from head region to the tail region. Then next fourth one is a what? The atrial cavity where the atrium will develop. Then the fifth one is a sensory vesicle. Sixth is a ciliated diverticulum. The seventh one is a oral aperture, and the eighth one is the adhesive papillae to by which these larvae will attach to the substratum. The ninth one is a what? Endostyle, which is equivalent to the thyroid gland. The tenth is a what? The stigmata, or these are the gill slits. The 11th one is a heart, and the 12th one is a what? The notochord, which is present in the tail region. What happens during the what? The metamorphosis? Herdmania, that the what it having the tail and the larva or that notochord is present in the tail region. The nervous system or the nerve cord or the maximum part of the nerve cord is also present in the tail region, and the sensory organs, and the sense organs in the form of statocyst, ocellus, and muscle bundles, which all are advanced characters with the larva. As this larva attaches to the rock and undergoes metamorphosis, all characters, which are the corded characters, lost except for the pharyngeal gill slits. Means what happens? The notochord as well as the maximum portion of the nerve cord, it gets degenerated or it gets lost. However, the adult attains advancement in digestive system, circulatory system, reproductive and excretory system, which are useful in adult life. and thus the process is called as a retrogressive metamorphosis. The tadpole larva of Herdmania is 1 to 2 mm long, and when it hatches out of the egg, it does not feed and hence has only 3 hours of survival, during which it has to swim about in search of suitable substratum where it will attach. The larva needs the advanced feature for its free-swimming existence, which is so necessary for dispersal of population to the distant places. The advanced character which the larva possess are, that is what the notochord, which is a rod-like present in the tail region, to which the muscle bands are attached, helpful for the swimming. There is a dorsal hollow nerve cord which is enlarged to form brain at the anterior end, a photoreceptor ocellus and a balancing organ statocyst are attached at the brain. There are only two pairs of gill slits in the pharynx, but the mouth is closed by membrane and intestine is rudimentary. Endostyle is present on the ventral side of pharynx and is very well developed, which functions like a thyroid gland and helps in the process of metamorphosis. The heart is on ventral side of gut, but it is non-functional. The larva possess on the anterior end the three ectodermal adhesive papillae, which helps in firm attachment on the substratum. What happens during metamorphosis? The larva attaches to the substratum with the help of the chinwards, that is head downwards and tail upwards. The rapid growth takes place between chinwards, that is adhesive papillae and mouth, and almost no growth on the opposite side of the body, and due to that the body starts rotating in a such a way that mouth gradually migrates to the upper side. Meanwhile, the pharynx enlarges and stigmata increases in number. Intestine becomes functional and arterial opening is formed on the opposite side of the oral aperture. Both tail as well as notochord are lost or gradually absorbed in the body during the metamorphosis. The portion of the nerve cord which is present in the tail, it also get lost and the nerve cord is reduced into a solid nerve ganglion on the dorsal side. Sense organs, namely ocellus and the statocyst, are also lost. And when the metamorphosis is over, Herdmania is developed or transformed into the bag-like sedentary animal attached to rock by the foot and having the two openings. One opening is the branchial opening and another one is a arterial opening for inlet and the outlet of the water respectively. Through the the branchial inlet, the water will get entry within the body, and through arterial aperture water will leave the body. The pharynx becomes enormously enlarged with large number of the gill slits or stigmata for filter feeding, and digestive system becomes well developed or functional. However, the other advanced character of the larva are degenerated into the simple structure, and due to which such type of metamorphosis is called as a retrogressive metamorphosis. So we can say that during the metamorphosis in the what these larvae of the Herdmania, the important organs which are lost are sense organs, namely ocellus, statocyst, and the notochord and the tail get shed off. The notochord is the advanced character of the chordata which is not present in the what? The adult one. Along with that, the nerve cord, it runs from head region to the tail region in the larva, but as the tail gets shed off the nerve cord, it is reduced into a solid nerve ganglion on the dorsal side, which is also a primitive character. And such type of the development is called as a what? The retrogressive type of the development in the this herd mania.